In the early days of the Ukraine war, a silent revolution began as civilian drones took to the skies. These unassuming devices, once used for photography, became the eyes of Ukrainian forces. A DJI Mavic costing just $1,500 could spot Russian armor movements that satellites missed, proving that modern warfare had entered a new era where accessibility trumped firepower. The game changed when Ukraine's engineers began strapping grenades to racing drones. An FPV, first-person view drone worth less than $500 could destroy a Russian tank valued at $5 million. This staggering cost asymmetry forced military strategists worldwide to reconsider their doctrine. By 2023, drone units accounted for 60% of Ukraine's armored vehicle kills. Across Ukraine, makeshift workshops became drone assembly lines. Using 3D printers and Chinese components, engineers produced 20,000 drones monthly, some in basements, others in repurposed schools. The Baba Yaga Night Bomber series demonstrated how innovation thrived under sanctions, with each $3,000 unit capable of striking targets 50 kilometers behind enemy lines. Ukraine's maritime drones emerged as Russia's nightmare. On October 29, 2022, a $250,000 unmanned boat laden with explosives crippled the $750 million Admiral Makarov. These sea babies traveled 800 kilometers autonomously using Starlink for guidance, proving that naval dominance no longer required massive fleets. By 2024, they'd sunk 27 vessels, forcing Russia to relocate its fleet from Sevastopol. Satellite imagery revealed North Korean officers training at Russia's Primorsky Krai drone base in 2023. Intelligence reports confirmed technology transfers, including blueprints for the Shahed 136 loitering munition. This collaboration marked a strategic shift. Pyongyang gained cutting-edge capabilities while Moscow acquired artillery shells, a trade altering Asia's military balance. December 26, 2023, 5 unidentified drones breached Seoul's airspace for 3 hours, exposing critical gaps in South Korea's defenses. Analysts identified them as North Korean copies of Russian models, capable of carrying 5 kilograms payloads. The incident proved Pyongyang had operationalized its stolen technology, bringing Ukraine's war tactics to Asia's doorstep. Ukraine's Soccer Scout system debuted in 2024, AI-powered drones that identify targets without human input. These neural networks process terrain data 200x faster than humans, coordinating swarm attacks. When 50 drones simultaneously struck Russia's Morozovsk airbase, it showcased warfare's future. Decisions made by algorithms, executed by machines, with humans merely overseeing. Israel's $50,000 interceptor missiles struggling against $500 drones exposed a universal vulnerability. Traditional air defense systems face economic ruin, attempting to counter drone swarms. Ukraine's experience proves that for every destroyed drone, 10 more appear, overwhelming even the most advanced radar networks through sheer numbers and low radar cross-sections. South Korea responds with its drone bot program, developing AI-controlled swarms and electromagnetic pulse weapons. The military integrates drones with KF-21 fighters for manned-unmanned teaming, MUM-T, learning from Ukraine's decentralized drone operations. However, experts warn that catching up requires domestic semiconductor independence to avoid supply chain vulnerabilities. The Ukraine conflict proves that drone warfare democratizes destruction, allowing resource-poor nations to challenge superpowers. As North Korea harnesses these lessons, the Korean peninsula faces a new arms race. The ultimate takeaway? Future conflicts won't be won by who has the most advanced technology, but by who can innovate fastest with what they have, a paradigm-shifting reality.